going to work and do the digital smile design on SmileCloud. This is your landing page. You have to register and then you can log in. When I open that, I can go into documentation and bring in the photo. This is the photo from Rafael. And then I can go into projects and I will do new projects and I'll go design. I'm going to select the photo. One of the ways to do it, I bring a line between the pupillas to make sure they're aligned. I do a fine adjustment alignment here, and then I go back here, otherwise it's going to crop the image. And facial references is ready. I'm going to zoom in here with the mouse. Here you can adapt this mask, and this mask all it's going to do is whatever is outside of this mask, it will protect the image. So here the upper is the most important. We're not designing lowers here. And I have now the lip design, the inside window of where I can see teeth. Now we go to the next one. We can control the width, the distribution, that's the interdental ruler. From here we can control the proportion, so let's aim for, let's say, 80%. I also now reposition my smile curve. If you want, you can also click on option and you can control just one side, because, you know, we are not extremely symmetric. So one arch can be a little bit more curved than the other. You adapt, just adapt. Also, we can control the shape of the gingiva design. We can control the line angles. So I'm ready to go to the next one here, the loop. And the loop is going to already look to this proportion and find in the left side all of the shapes that can fit this face. So the first one's here. If I click here, we change for another one. We change for this one. This is more square. This is more rounded triangle. There are many options, as you can see. So in digital, we can do 2, 3, 4 mockups. I like this shape, so we're gonna touch up and adapt. But one of the things that calls my attention here is the gingiva color. So here, I'm going to click here on those two squares here, and this is going to show where the software is taking out the red and the white. So the pink, with this pink square, it was pointed to the lips, which is going to be too dark. So I'm going to point to a nice clear white pink area. And well, the tooth is fine here. I mean, it's a tooth we can change later. So now having two new references for the color, we say match color. And now it's much more natural. The pink color for his artificial gingiva is much more natural than it was before. Now I can take here like one tooth at a time. I can move this tooth. I can then rotate this tooth. And once I like this position, I can click equal, and it will mirror to the other side. So now I can see the centers are well positioned. I like it. And let's see how that looks. Yeah, looks good. Looks really good. And the smile design is over. What you have to send to your lab, you have to send this, just this image here. Because this image means the face is correct. This is the upper, but what you do here, you take out all the texture. So we can see the teeth behind the lines. So then we can use to click and to align the upper scan. And then you can bring back the colors and you can guide the position in the 3D mode. So this is exactly what you have to send to the lab. You can make a screenshot and send on WhatsApp. But then, of course, if you want to show to patients, you can do simulations right here with this command. Just zoom out so it takes out the smile frame. And I can do from here before and after.